I am from India, and the COVID situation here is very bad, I will say, because a whole lot of life loss is happening here. And I hope whenever you are in this world, whenever you are in the corner of the globe, I hope you are well, your family is well, and my prayers are always with you. So this is Priyanka Dubey. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about Zoom meetings. I know like 90% of the people are working from home right now, and I just thought of making this video so that you can understand, especially if you are a beginner and you just want to know how Zoom works. So this is a video for you guys. So let's begin. So Zoom is all about a meeting area where you can invite people, you can just do the meetings without paying anything as well. So let's get started. So you just have to type the Zoom, and I'm gonna start from like very basic to the most advanced thing, like each and everything I'm gonna cover in this video, so stay tuned with this video. So when you will type Zoom in the Google, you will get this. Now you have to go ahead and you have to uh, sign in. So if you have the account already with you, that's fine. If you don't have, you have to create one account. I have my account here already with me. This is my account, so let's not talk about it. I'm just gonna log out, and we are gonna explain everything from the beginning. So this is the Zoom meeting, and here you can sign up. It's free, and if you will sign up, then you will get all the details about it, like the pricing and everything. For the pricing and plans, you just can go ahead and you can see that the basic one is free. The pro is one is comes with some amount, and the small and mid business and the large enterprises, you if you are alone and you're just working for company meetings and your own business, then I will suggest that you should go for the basic plan. I have that one as well. It allows like 100 participants to participate, and it is quite good, right? So I have already that with me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sign in. If you don't have the account, you have to sign up. Okay, now when you will sign up, you will get three options. First one is obviously your email address and password, the regular one, and the second one is the SSO, Google, and the Facebook. SSO is used when you have to sign up using the company credentials, right? So you can do that as well. And now I'm gonna just go ahead and sign up with Google, and I'm just gonna take my account, and then you will get access to your Zoom area. Now if you want to host a meeting, you can directly do that without the application as well. If I'm just hosting a meeting with video off, it will suggest me to open zoom.us. Why it is saying me that? Because I have the app already installed on my computer. If you don't have, it will suggest you that go ahead and download Zoom, right? So I will explain it more in detail. The first of all, I would like to just discuss all these panels over here. So let's suppose that if you want to schedule a meeting, you just have to log in here. Click here, and then you have to describe your meeting and everything. And the Zoom basic plan has a 40-minute limit time, so just take aware of that. Also, you can just go ahead and type the passcode and everything else, and you can save it, and then you can do the meetings, right? Also, if you want to just go ahead and join a meeting, you just have to click over here, and you just have to enter the meeting ID or the personal link name, and you can just join, right? So these are the two things where you can do that. Also, it has meeting templates. If you can create your meeting template, and you can save it as a template, and you can use it earlier. If you want to like do the webinars like Zoom webinar, so you can do it to conduct like large online events with video, audio, and screen sharing for up to 100 video participants and 10,000 attendance. uh, so you can do this easily for the webinars as well. If you want to know more about it, you can just type learn more, hit learn more, and you can get all the details. Also, webinar can be added to any paid plan such as Pro, Business, or EDU. If that means if you are using the basic plan, then you are not able to use it because basic plan is free and they do not allow these features in the free version. Okay. um, Also, if you want to record it, you can do that. I will show you how just after a few minutes. Also, you can change the settings over here, so you can do all these things here. You can also go ahead and change your profile, your personal ID, your sign in, your license, and all those things. So you can do that. You can change your meeting, your cover photo, sorry, though your profile photo and everything. So that's easy. So let's now go ahead and let's now do the meetings, right? Also, if you have any questions about Zoom, and you can Google it, and if you don't find the answers, the easiest way to get to the support, right? Like as a business owner, as a online business thing, I use a whole lot of tools for myself, for my clients. So it is very important for you to understand that if you are using a lot number of tools, obviously you don't know about each and every tool, that how it works. So it is very convenient if you go ahead and Google it. And if still this is confusing and you are feeling like, no, this is not happening, like I'm not getting the answers I'm looking for, then the easiest way is to go to the support and ask for help. They are gonna answer all your questions quickly, and you are just getting target focused answers. You are not getting bluff, right? So this is the ninja technique that I do in my business, so you can do that too. So now let's go ahead and do the meeting. So let's suppose that I want to do the meeting with video off. I have my Zoom already installed. If you want to download the Zoom, you can just go ahead and uh, do the Zoom download, and you can download a Zoom from the Zoom center. Okay, so from here you can download it, so that's easy. So I have already my Zoom in my desktop, so I will just click open zoom.us. So it is now working. So now here you can see uh, that the Zoom has been opened up in my computer. Here you can see my meeting topic. I can change it, my host, passcode, numeric passcode, invite link, participant ID, and all those things. Now this is the participants. If I want to invite someone, I can simply do it by clicking this button over here, participants, and I can invite people through my email, through the Gmail, or I can simply invite a copy invite link, and I can simply copy the meeting passcode, and I can send to that person to whom I'm gonna talk with through meeting, through Messenger, through Instagram, through WhatsApp, whatever means it is, right? So you can do that as well. Also, you can mute it from here, and you can do that as well. Now if you want to like record it, you can just go ahead and click the button, and your call will get started like recording. But I will always suggest that if you are meeting, like it is etiquette that if you are talking to someone and if you want to record the meeting, just ask for the permission of the second party. Okay, because it shows that how etiquette you are. It shows that you are a responsible and a respectful business person, or a employee that is working like in a genuine way. So always ask the other party that if you are allowed to record the meeting or not, if they are comfortable enough or not. Okay, I'll always do that. This is second ninja technique over there. I will say tip. Yeah, so you can also just chat to the person to whom you are just doing the meeting with, or if you want to drop any file, you can do that from the computer. And you can also just filter it through the person's name, as there is no person over here, so obviously it will not show me. But if you have people around there, you can just simply select the name of the person, and you can chat it, type it, anything, send the file to any specific person through there. So this is applicable as well. uh, Also, if you want to share the screen, you can do that. So you can simply click over here, and now you can share the whiteboard. In this whiteboard, if you are talking to someone and you have to suggest someone that this is how it works, you can simply go ahead and you can explain it, like blah blah blah, whatever it is. You can also type the text and you can just write it, right? So this is how it works as well. The screen sharing also works like through the sharing of the screen. So if you want to share your screen and want to explain something, going in the tab of the like desktop, you can do that as well. So it is applicable here as well. So there are a few options over here. It is advanced one, like if you want to share the slides as a virtual background, you can do that. If you want to just portion of a screen, you can do that. Okay, and also you can drop the files using Google Drive, Dropbox, and all those things. So you can see how convenient it is and how amazing it is to talk to people, to do all those things. And if you don't want to start the video, you can just simply put it off. If you want to mute it, you can do that as well. So it is quite, I will say, quite useful thing. Or this is, I'm using it from years, like. And if you are new, I hope you found this video useful. And if I'm sorry if I mess out anything unknowingly, and if you find it, please let me know. And if you have any other video request, you can let me know that as well. So yeah, that's all for the day. I hope you liked it, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.